Wagwan everybody, welcome back to another video from Daniel's Delight JA. In today's video, I am showing you how I cook curry chicken foot. Yes people, the best Jamaican style curry chicken foot ever. I have almost 2 dozen chicken foot here and I cleaned and washed these ahead of time, and I used vinegar water to wash my chicken foot after I cleaned and removed the paws. Okay, so I have one chicken foot here and I'm just going to show you how I clean my chicken foot. As you can see, it has some claws and we don't want to cook the chicken foot with these claws. So right below the claw, you just cut. Just continue to cut until all the claws have been removed, and in the middle here may be a dark spot with this layer of yellow looking skin on it. You remove this part, and if the dark part still remains, all you do, you just cut it with the knife like this. After cleaning the chicken foot like this, all that is left to do now is to wash it with some vinegar water and proceed to seasoning your chicken foot. To season my chicken foot, I will be using some fresh seasoning along with some powdered seasoning. So these are the fresh seasoning I'll be using. As you can see, I have scallion and thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic and ginger, and some pimento seed. I'm going to add some garlic powder, and I am using a half a tablespoon of garlic powder. One teaspoon of paprika. And I am using one whole sachet of Maggi chicken seasoning. This is very good. I do not cook without this. And half a teaspoon of salt. I won't use too much salt right away because the Maggi chicken seasoning has salt as well. So salt is something that can be added as we go along. I am also adding my smashed pimento seeds, a few sprigs of thyme, a few pieces of scotch bonnet pepper. Now I am just going to go in with my hands and rub my seasoning into my chicken foot. Ensure that your hands are clean and you just rub all the seasoning in. Ensure that everything is properly incorporated. Ensure every piece of chicken foot has seasoning on it. And I will just leave this to marinate for a half an hour. Chicken foot is mostly tendons and bones, so that means that there is no meat. So we don't necessarily have to marinate it, but we do have to cook it with as much exotic seasonings as possible to get the right flavor. So I'm just gonna set this aside and leave it to marinate for a half an hour, no longer than a half an hour, because as I said before, it's mostly bones and tendons. It's now time to start cooking. I have my Dutch pot on with a little vegetable oil, and to that I am adding 3 cloves of garlic that I have chopped here, a piece of smashed ginger, a sprig of thyme, and a few pieces of scallion. I will just saute these and allow the flavors to come alive, and then I will add my Better Pack curry powder. That is a very good curry powder to use. So this is the curry powder that I am using, and I'm just going to let my curry powder burn off a little bit, and then I will add my chicken foot. After adding the chicken foot, I am just allowing it to spring its own water. I am now going to add some water to my chicken foot so it can cook, and I will check on it from time to time just to ensure it is tenderized properly and not to over tenderize it. Wow, this is looking amazing, exactly like I want it to. I'm just gonna add the final touches to my pot, and as you can see here, it's just a dish with vegetables. It's onions, Irish, carrot, scallion, thyme, garlic, something fresh to spice up the pot. And I'm just gonna mix this in and leave my vegetables to cook for about, say, 5 to 7 minutes. My vegetables will be cooked, my carrot and my Irish, and then my pot will be ready. Wow, looks amazing. My chicken foot is 100% ready to be served. And there you have it, my Jamaican style curry chicken foot. Eating chicken foot may sound unappetizing to some people, but it is considered to be a delicacy in many Asian countries. This goes very well with white rice. The full recipe for my curry chicken foot will be in the description below, along with my Instagram link. Do remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Like my video, leave a comment about my curry chicken foot, and share my video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.